Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I posted anything. Actually, I'm in Chennai and this is the famous Crocodile Park in Chennai, and it's full of crocodiles. Like you can see there's a crocodile there sleeping. I don't know whether it's visible on camera or not, but this place is very green and it's a good weekend destination. Like you can spend around 2 to 3 hours here. This is a good place actually to spend around 2 to 3 hours. This is in ECR and the ticket cost is 100 rupees per adult. The main problem was like the weather is too hot outside and most of the crocodiles here are sleeping, or it was good and the most amazing thing was to see the underwater ghadial and the Komodo dragon, and there were lots of snakes also. So yeah, it's a good one-time visit. Next we are going to Mahabalipuram to explore. So this is a famous magnificent show temple in Mahabalipuram, and its history dates back to more than 1000 years. Like it belongs to Pallavan dynasty, and this was actually one of the major port destination in ancient India. And it's basically a Shiva temple, and it was destroyed in some cyclone and it was mutilated by some rulers. So it's a good destination and it's near to beach. You can see beach over there. So this is our next destination in Mahabalipuram, and this is called Arjuna's Penance, or in Hindi mein Arjun ki tapasya. I don't really know the history behind it, but this sculpture is looking so good. So this is another natural monument in Mahabalipuram, and it's called Krishna's Butter Ball, or Krishna ki Makhan something, I don't remember in Hindi. It's a very huge rock which has been balanced by natural forces, and it's nowhere related to any Lord Krishna, so it's just a local call it butter ball. And there are also huge rocks all around.
कुछ स्थानीय लोकल्स को देखकर मुझे भी ऐसा लगा कि चलो मैं भी इस चट्टान को हिलाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, बट दुर्भाग्य से मैं असफल रहा।
I don't know what it is, but it's looking cool. Here also we have a temple. So yeah, this is something which has been cut in a single rock. And there's a lighthouse at the top. It looks really good. And there is another lighthouse here which has been constructed newly. Like it's around 100 years old. And we are going to climb there. Let's go. The queue. What the heck? So shall we go or not? I'm just thinking. But the place is nice. First time I'm being in a lighthouse. These are the equipments. Thank you. Wow. या सो ये लाइट हाउस काफ़ी मस्त था एक्चुअली। ऊपर में ज़्यादा समय नहीं मिला फ़ोटो लेने के लिए या वीडियो बनाने के लिए, बट द व्यू वॉज टोटली वर्थ इट. So I would definitely recommend to go to this lighthouse if you are visiting to Mahabalipuram. So yeah, this is the end of our trip to Mahabalipuram. Not an end actually. Next we are going to Seashell Museum. So yeah. Wow, these are really nice. Wow, this is amazing. So this is Seashell Museum in Mahabalipuram. काफ़ी सारे सीशेल्स हैं, काफ़ी सुंदर है. They are made of plain out of shells. Look at the ceilings, they are so good. How can they be so big? I'm seeing it for the first time. So this is fish aquarium. Wow. Beautiful. Rare and unique pearls. Wow. It's really beautiful. I would highly recommend you to come during like night, like after 6 p.m. because it looks really good in artificial light. See? I think this is the best place to visit in Mahabalipuram apart from beaches and temples. There is some caves also and cafes.